Welcome to our guide on how to add members to a pre-existing group chat on X, Twitter, on PC. Let's dive into the steps together. Step 1. Open X, Twitter, on your PC and navigate to the messaging section. Step 2. Click on the envelope icon, labeled Messages, to access your conversations. Step 3. Select the group message you want to add members to and open it. Step 4. Look for the ellipsis icon in the top right-hand corner of the chat window and click on it. Choose Add People from the menu that appears. Step 5. In the address box provided, enter the names or usernames of your followers whom you want to include in the group message. Step 6. Once you have entered the desired names, click Done to add them to the group chat. By following these steps, you can easily expand your group chat on X, Twitter, on PC, by adding new members to the existing conversation. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide has been helpful in demonstrating how to add members to a pre-existing group chat on X, Twitter, on PC. Enhance your communication and collaboration by including more followers in your group chats to engage in meaningful conversations and interactions.